Hi, my name is Zaria Howard, and this is my 15112 term project. It's called Twitter Plus. The goal of this project is to retrieve different types of information that you can't normally get through Twitter because of language boundaries. So as you can see, there are three main features: the Discover feature, the Search feature, and the Home feature. And Twitter Plus also allows you to select the language that you want everything displayed in. For the first part of this demo, I am going to select English, already pre-selected for you. So as you can see in the upper left hand corner, you can press H for help, and this tells you what everything does, and it also lets you know that you can use the escape key to back out of a certain menu. So the first feature we're going to look at is the Discover feature. What the Discover feature does is it displays the top 10 global trends in their original language. So the one that I will choose for this demo is Igloo Australia. It references how people are changing the famous artist Iggy Azalea's name to Igloo Australia. So by reading it, you can get a pretty good sense of what the trending topic is about. So for this feature, we're going to use the languages English, Bengali, and Malay Indonesian. And I'm going to press enter to continue again. And then the interest I'm going to select is sports. And I'm going to press enter again. And this time I will fast forward again. This is our timeline. So it's composed of tweets from people who identify themselves as playing a certain sport or being on teams of a certain sport. And so you can see things like hashtag football and usernames that relate to sports. So after pulling up the timeline, you can see that if you go into the folder where the project is run, then there is a file called users.txt, which is the list of users that Twitter Plus has generated for you. When you open it, you can see that there are a list of users that have been stored so that next time you load the program, it'll read from them. And you can look at the timeline with tweets from the same users. The next feature we will explore is the search feature. So first it asks you what languages you want to search from. So for the purposes of this demo, I'm going to choose English, French, and Mandarin, and then press enter. And then you click the box to enter a query, and then you click the box to enter a query, and then you press the enter key to search. So I click the box, and now I'm going to enter the word pizza, and I'll press enter. Now that the program is done loading, you can see that the tweets we got from English, French, and Mandarin speaking people have all been translated back to the display language that we chose, which is Spanish. Also, you can see that the tweets all contain the word pizza. And if you click the up and down arrows, you can scroll through the tweets and see what came up from your search. You can scroll down, scroll up. And that's the basis of the search function. Just taking tweets that and that's the purpose of the search feature. Gathering tweets that you wouldn't normally get, but putting them in your results. Gathering tweets from other languages that you normally wouldn't see, but now since you've translated the search queries